Speed. It's the ultimate thrill of survival and engineering. Today, we're staging the wildest race imaginable. The Cheetah, nature's Ferrari, versus the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, a hypercar engineered to shatter limits. Who's faster? Let's find out. First up, the Cheetah. This big cat is evolution's masterpiece, built for explosive acceleration. Its flexible spine, non-retractable claws, and lightweight frame let it hit 60 mph faster than most supercars. But can biology beat engineering? Enter the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, a $4 million beast with a quad-turbo W16 engine. This isn't just a car, it's a rocket on wheels. In a short sprint, the Cheetah's explosive start gives it an edge, but only for 20 to 30 seconds. The Bugatti? It keeps going and going. At top speed, the Chiron could lap a Cheetah 4 times in a minute. The Cheetah's Achilles heel, stamina. Overheating forces it to rest after 30 seconds. But in the wild, that's all it needs to take down prey. The Bugatti. It guzzles fuel, 22 gallons per hour at top speed, and needs specialized tires to avoid disintegration. Oh, and you'll need a 5-mile runway to even hit 300 miles per hour. So, who wins? In a 100-meter dash, the Cheetah takes gold. But stretch the race to a mile? The Bugatti leaves it in the dust. Nature's sprinter versus humanity's endurance monster. It's a tie. Sort of. But here's the real question. Would you rather ride a Cheetah or drive a Bugatti? Let us know below. Smash that like button, subscribe for more insane matchups, and ring the bell so you never miss a race. Thanks for watching.